Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk to you guys about how to fix your iPhone's Wi-Fi not working. And now what I mean by not working, it's not like if it periodically drops once in a while. That's obviously to do with your provider or your area that you live in. But I'm more referring to if your Wi-Fi is grayed out. So if you go over to your control panel and your Wi-Fi here is gray and you cannot connect to it, or if your Wi-Fi, like your phone is just not letting you connect to Wi-Fi. So if it's saying error connecting to Wi-Fi or anything like that, this video will help you hopefully. So now one thing that's pretty obvious that I would recommend is I would go check to see if you have an update. To do that, you just go over to General and then click on Software Update. Just make sure you're updated to the most recent software, just because if there's any issues or bugs within the software to do with Wi-Fi, Apple might have fixed it in the most recent update. So I'd recommend trying that out there first. If you try out that and it still doesn't work, one thing and the last thing I will recommend that you do, this is what worked for me in the past when I had not only Wi-Fi issues, but any issues, is to do a complete backup of your phone and then doing a reset. Now to do a backup, you just want to go to the top search bar and just search backup, click on backup, and then you just want to scroll until you find iCloud backup right here. Go ahead and click on that and then just click on backup now. Now your phone will likely have to be plugged in and connected to Wi-Fi just in case, so make sure your phone doesn't die when it's being backed up. So just make sure you can plug in your phone and you'll be good to go to back up your phone. And then you'll be able to go through the process of resetting. And now to go over to reset your phone, you want to go over to General. So let's go back to my homepage on my settings, go to General, scroll down, click on Reset. And then the one that you want to click is you want to click on Erase All Content and Settings, but make sure you back up your phone first. Once you click on Erase All Content and Settings, your phone will take probably, depending on how much stuff you have in your phone, probably like 15 to 20 minutes. And then you'll be able to go through the process. Your phone will look like it's brand new. It'll say, welcome to iPhone, blah, blah, blah. And then you will have the option to boot up from your iCloud backup. Once you get to that point, you just want to type in your Apple ID and password, and then it will show you your iCloud backup that you just made. Click on that, and then your phone will boot back exactly to how it looks currently. And then your Wi-Fi should be fixed. That's what's worked for me. Anyhow, I hope I was really able to help you guys out with this video. I hope this fixed your Wi-Fi. If this helps you out, be sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.